Hello everyone, it's your boy Patrick Bateman Funko Pop here. So this week there was just some massive gaming news, just real hard hitting stuff. And I know I'm probably like 2 days late to this, but I just wanted to chip in with my own take. So basically, this story starts on Tuesday when Xbox announced that they were actually purchasing Activision for $68 billion US. Fucking hell. Now, if this transaction is actually approved, then that means Microsoft and Xbox, then that'll give them control of Activision, Blizzard, and King, if you care about them. And that's going to give them titles like Call of Duty, titles like Overwatch, Diablo, Crash Bandicoot and Spyro, Candy Crush if you're one of the 8 people under 47 that give a shit about Candy Crush. And it's also going to give them control over Battle.net, which chances are that could be shut down so that Microsoft could focus on Steam. Now, for what I hope will come out of this transaction, the first big thing that I hope comes out of this is Call of Duty comes back to Steam. As of me recording this, the last Call of Duty to come out on Steam was World War II in 2017. And believe me when I say it would be just amazing to have Call of Duty back on Steam with all of Steam's features like achievements, Steam Workshop, better controller support. It would just be really nice to see a Call of Duty with all those features, in my opinion. Another big thing I hope happens under Microsoft's control is the World of Warcraft team get their shit together. Don't get me wrong, I was a huge World of Warcraft fan until 9.1. I even used it as gameplay background for one video, I think. But 9.1 was not a good update. Story-wise, addition-wise, really anything-wise, really. And ideally, Microsoft will be able to help out the World of Warcraft team make the next expansion at least okay, Third thing I can think of is Microsoft helped the Overwatch 2 team give people a reason they should play Overwatch 2, because from how it's described, on day one, Overwatch 1 is going to have all the heroes, all the new game modes except for PvE. Pretty much everything that's in Overwatch 2 day 1 is going to be in Overwatch 1 on day 1. And I trust that Microsoft will really help out the Overwatch team. Last and far from least is I really hope that Microsoft help out Activision and Blizzard with their current image problem, because frankly it's just been a nightmare year for both companies with the amount of allegations that have come out against them. I'm not going to talk about them here because chances are you've already heard about them, but if you haven't, I would definitely recommend looking them up. I really hope all, or at least a good few of these things happen, because Activision, they don't have the best reputation right now, and I do hope that Microsoft can help them out. Then again, Activision's CEO said in an email that it is highly likely that the deal won't be finalised until potentially June 2023. But hey, then again, took about 5 months to finalise the Bethesda acquisition, so who knows? Anyway, I'm going to leave the video here. I definitely know I was late to this story, but I figured it would be nice to chip in with my own take. So thanks for watching. If you liked the video, subscribe, maybe leave a comment, like the video. Yeah, see you next time.